Welcome. In today's video, we'll guide you through the updated steps to make everyone see that you're online on WhatsApp. Whether you're reconnecting with friends or just want to stay visible, this quick tutorial will help you adjust your settings in no time. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Once you're on the main screen, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This is the menu button. Tap on it. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to a page where you can customize various aspects of your WhatsApp experience. Next, tap on Privacy. This section is where all your visibility and privacy options are located. Now find and tap on Last Seen and Online. This is the setting that controls who can see your last activity on WhatsApp and whether you're currently online. Once inside, scroll down to the section labeled Who Can See When I'm Online. Here, you'll find several options. To ensure that everyone can see your online status, select Everyone. This will make your online presence visible to all WhatsApp users. And that's it. You've now successfully updated your settings so that everyone can see when you're online. It's a great way to stay connected and let others know when you're available to chat. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and share it with others who might need it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.